You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. This is originally a word. It's also, of course, the name of a character in Disney movies, but that's originally a word. Maleficent is how it is to be pronounced. So let's break it down. Maleficent. Maleficent. Stress on the le syllable. How to pronounce. Do you want to know what it means? Well, I can look it up or you look it up. Maleficent. Maleficent. It means essentially malefic, bad, causing harm or destruction to others. Maleficent, evil, bad. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.